Zoo Johor, Malaysia. There is a free shuttle bus that you can take all the way to the zoo, near from the centre. This bus runs quite frequently and is air conditioned inside. Google Maps kept telling me to go through the park and it was impossible, so that's how I ended up here. As you arrive, there are 2 kiosks on the side and they do not work. Later on, when it's really busy, they do fix it, but it's only for Malaysians. You need to have the MyCard, which is their ID, to be able to use it. Throughout this whole zoo, there is no water. If you want water, get it from the souvenir shop right at the beginning. So it cost me 30 ringgit as a foreigner. If you're Malaysian, it'll cost you 5 ringgit. As you enter, you're able to see all these different animals at the very beginning. Some of them you're allowed to touch. There are 4 zones, but Zone 3 is under construction. We're starting at Zone 1. really enjoyed the zoo. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!